Hello, I'm Janice and I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I want to show you a Lao and Thai restaurant here in Sydney that I really like. See, I've been here a few times before, and when I tried a range of their different dishes, one of the first thoughts that came to mind was, wow, this reminds me of when I was in Thailand. The second thought that came to mind was, okay, I really should showcase this in a video. So we are currently in Canley Vale. I've just parked on the street and it is about a 2-minute walk from here to the restaurant. I'm really excited to show you sort of what it's like. We did come here a little bit later, so they have 2 sessions of opening times today. Today's a Sunday, from 11 to 3 and then from 5 till late. So I've come here a little bit later just to try and avoid like their peak hours. I try to go with restaurants, I try to go either really early or towards the closing time, just so that there aren't as many people. But enough of me talking. I'm really excited to show you the range of different food that we're going to be having today. So without further ado, let's head straight to the restaurant right now. We have just arrived at a restaurant called 12 Spices. It specializes in Thai and Lao cuisine. Now, I've been here before and we are back again. I came back all the way just to showcase to you some of the dishes that we had last time that I really liked. I'm here by myself and I ended up ordering like 6 different dishes, so I'm gonna have a lot of leftovers for lunch and dinner the next few days. So we've got like a range of different salads and appetizers. I think I ordered 2 salads. One of the salad was a Thai salad that I had when I was in Bangkok and I loved it so much I couldn't resist ordering it again. But we've also got a few Lao specialties. We've also got some Appetizers and Curries, which when I had it here, it was really delicious. So this is gonna be a combination of Lao and Thai cuisine. I've just placed my order in. We're just waiting for everything to come out, and when it does, I'll show you exactly what they look like. I'm really excited. I'm really excited to show you like all the different varieties that we've ordered. So I didn't order any drinks, but they do have a really cool list of like drinks menu as well. They have a range of different cocktails. Last time I came here, I had a lychee mojito. It was very delicious. But like if you don't want like a mojito, you can always go for the fruit shakes and whatnot. But for now, I think I'll just stick with water because I know that there is so much that we will be consuming in just today's video. Okay, I'll check back in with you when the food arrives. Okay, all the food has just arrived. It's pretty much filled up this entire table. This is a table for 4 and I'm the only person here. But what I'm gonna start with is, we're gonna start with the appetizers first. I've actually got 3 different types of appetizers. We have got the Lao sausage, which last time I've tried it was so good I had to get it again. I had to show you how good it is. And in addition to that, we've got 2 different types of salads. One is a Thai salad, so this is the papaya salad, which I absolutely loved when I was in Bangkok, and we had it with the sticky rice. So for memory's sake, I got sticky rice here as well. And in addition to this, we also got the Lao style salad. So they have different types of salads. So one of the most popular salads is their raw beef Lao style salad. It has finely diced beef salad with either raw or cooked beef. I didn't really feel like raw beef today, which is why I went with the minced pork style, which is something that I had as well when I was in Thailand. I'm just trying to like travel through food because I miss traveling so much. So I've got the pork version. It smells delicious. It looks amazing. I cannot wait to dig in. Let's get stuck into the Lao sausage. This is what it looks like. So it has chopped fatty pork with some lemongrass, some lime leaves, some shallots, coriander, sort of all mixed into this beautiful piece of sausage, and you get like a chili fish sauce to dip it in. This is so delicious. You can taste like the lime leaves in there. You can taste a bit of the coriander. I love coriander, so I love this. You can see all the different ingredients that goes into making this. There's like the fatty pork, as I said before, the coriander, there is the lime leaves. You can taste some chilies, you can taste garlic, you can taste fish sauce, which is kind of, I think it's also in the sausage and also in the sauce itself. But yeah, definitely try this. I don't think you'll regret it. Okay, next thing that we're gonna try is the Thai papaya salad, the som tom. Apologies if I completely mispronounced it. This is one of my favorite dishes when I was in Thailand. It was so cheap. It was like $1 for an entire bag and then another 50 cents for your sticky rice, which I've got right here. So this is sliced papaya leaves with chili, with peanuts, long green beans, some carrots as well. I forgot to say that I wanted this mild, so I'm a little bit nervous now because there is quite a bit of chili. Oh, damn it. Okay, here we go. It's the perfect combination of sweet and savory and spicy. You've got that flavor of the fish sauce. I can feel the spice kicking in, but it's one of those spices that you kind of want to go back for more and more and more. So to complete the trip down memory lane, I'm going to grab a little bit of the sticky rice and we're going to dip it into the salad dressing sauce and then enjoy it in its entirety. I honestly don't know if that's the right way to eat it. I just ate it like that when I was in Thailand. So feel free to correct me if I'm wrong. You know, I'm enjoying it a lot. So, you know, even if I'm wrong, I'm happy to be wrong. As I was getting into the midst of trying everything, this is a Thai milk tea that I guess they've recommended for me to try as well. I can't wait to dig in. It looks like there is ice cream, I'm not sure, but I'll try it and I'll let you know. It's very milky, but it's very refreshing. It's very, very creamy. All right, the next appetizer, or the next salad that I really want to try is a Lao style salad. So this is the one where you can get raw beef, but instead of raw beef, I got the minced pork. This is also something that I had when I was overseas. This looks delicious. It has coriander, red onions, it has pork, a bunch of salad as well. A lot of spring onions. That makes me very, very happy. I'm gonna put some lemon juice on it and then we'll get stuck right in. They do come in with a pretty big soup ladle spoon. So usually how I ate it was, I ate it with rice, but you don't have to eat everything with rice. You know, you can do things without rice. They're like a bunch of different flavors. So you've got the lime from the lime juice, you've got garlic, you've got chili, you've got the taste of chopped coriander, spring onions. There's also a little bit of a kick from the dried chilies. Just a really nice combination of flavors. Similar to the Thai salad that we just had, it's very appetizing. It just makes you want to go in for more. I think this is delicious. I think this would go really well with rice. But if I have to choose one between the two salads that I just had, I think I'm a little bit partial towards the Thai style one, just because in addition to it being really tasty, it just brings back a lot of memories. Okay, now that I'm done showing you the appetizers, next up we have the mains. So this item is something that one of the customers recommended to me when I was choosing what to order. So I looked to other tables for inspiration, and he told me that this is one of the dishes that he absolutely loves and he gets it every time he comes here. Now, I've never tried it before, so this is a first for me. I don't know if you can tell just by looking at this dish what it is. It is crocodile meat. It's crocodile meat in their special chili basil sauce, topped with sweet basil, shallots, and lime leaves. So I'm very excited to see what it's about. I have tried crocodile meat before. The texture of it is very similar to chicken, but I am very excited to give this a go. I feel like this is one of those dishes that would go very well with rice. I think I'm just repeating myself a lot now. I'm gonna stop saying that. Just take it as everything goes well with rice unless it doesn't. It's got a crunchy exterior. The taste of this is like a chili jam, and you've got those fried lime leaves as well. But in terms of the meat, if I didn't know that this was crocodile, I would have never guessed that that was what this meat is. The consistency of the meat is like a cross between seafood and chicken. All right, with our first sort of mains, out of the way, we are now going to try the pad siu that I ordered. Now this is just something that I really like. Last time we came here, we ordered this, so I really wanted to show you what this looks like. But I got a chicken pad siu, so instead of the pad thai, these noodles are a lot thicker. Let's just put some lime on it and you get stuck right in. First bite of the pad siu, which I already know is gonna be good. Look at this beautiful piece of noodle that's just got all the sauces stuck onto it. There's not much more I think I can say about this, except I chose this because I'm biased towards it and I've had it before and I really enjoyed it. Much like the Thai papaya salad. Now the chicken pieces, I wouldn't say it's the most tender pieces of chicken I've ever had, but it's still tender enough, and it goes very well with the sauces. Can I say it's a very hearty meal that hits the spot? Yeah, I think I'm gonna say that. Because the noodles are so thick, I really like how it just absorbs and takes on all the sweet and savory sauces that's in this dish. All right, last but definitely not least in terms of our mains, we've got a duck red curry. Let me show you exactly what it looks like and then we'll get stuck right in. We'll go back to our trusty sticky rice, get some of this goodness, dip it into this delicious, fragrant curry. Treat our taste buds is what we're gonna do. So this red curry, it's made with spicy red curry paste with limes, garlic, lemongrass, and long red chilies. So the meat, which is the duck that we've chosen, it's cooked in coconut milk, and there's also eggplant in this as well. As you're stirring it, you can smell a bit of the spices, but also the creaminess from the coconut milk. Let's try the duck first on its own. I love that this curry isn't too spicy, but you can taste the freshness of the limes, and it's got quite a number of different vegetables here as well. I think this is a pineapple, and I'm correct. I like how many pieces of duck there are. I wouldn't say this duck is, you know, really tender, but like the chicken in the chicken pad thai, it's tender enough. And now sticky rice. I love how much flavor is in this curry. I love that it's not too spicy, but you can still feel a bit of a kick. I appreciate the depth of flavor that's in this dish. It makes you want to have a second bowl of rice. All right, we have had 6 dishes here at 12 Spices. All of them are delicious. They do have a very extensive menu. I've also tried their pork belly. The crispy pork belly is very good. Their stir-fry pipis are also very good as well. In terms of the sweet basil crocodile meat, I couldn't really tell that it was crocodile, so I'm glad I tried it. It's something new. But if I had to order core dishes, I'm not sure if that would make it onto the list. But yes, this has been a very delicious meal. All right, we are pretty much done with our time at 12 Spices. It was delicious. If you're ever craving some Lao and Thai cuisine, definitely check that place out. In terms of what we're going to do next, I don't want to end the video here. I do want to go to Cabramatta to see if there's anything I want to buy. See, I don't have a list of anything that I want to buy, but I want to go there and be inspired. So I think we're gonna head to Cabramatta. I hope parking isn't too crazy. It is currently 3 p.m. so okay, I have just parked in Cabramatta, and the first thing that I kind of am craving is some coffee. So I think we're gonna get ourselves an afternoon coffee and then go from there. Okay, so I've just arrived at Café Nhớ. This is a place that I have been to before in one of my previous videos when I filmed I think a Cabramatta based video, and we tried a bunch of different eats here in Cabramatta. I figured when I'm here, I'm gonna go for one of their iced coffees again. It's really hot today and I haven't had a coffee today. I shouldn't really have such a strong coffee, but because it's 3:30 right now, but I couldn't resist. So here is my Café Nhớ iced Vietnamese coffee. I got the smaller size. This is strong. The last time we came here, we also had a caramel flan. I'm not going to be able to sleep tonight, but this is delicious. This being very strong, but also with the condensed milk just makes it so delicious. Anyway, I'm going to go to the grocery store across the road. It's a pretty big grocery store. See if there's anything I want to buy. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I love looking at grocery stores. I don't know what it is. Prawn noodle stock paste. Beef flavor, jar flavor. I'm not sure what that is. All right, okay, I'm just gonna be getting these ones. I'm going to go to another store to get the soup base for my friend. But yes. Okay, I gotta stop getting distracted so easily. I'm gonna pay for this, head to the other store, and then I think call it a day. Okay. And that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Do check out 12 Spices if you're keen for some Lao and Thai cuisine. I post new videos every week. Check them out if you have time. Have an amazing rest of the day and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I thought I'd have these leftovers for lunch the next few days, but I think we're going to be finishing it off tonight.